Hey guys, it's June and we are doing block of the month. So this is a really simple one. For a 6.5 inch block, we're going to create two very quick half square triangle blocks. So this is what you need. You need two 7.5 inch squares. So cut those, and then on one of them, it doesn't matter which one, you need to, I'm just going to move this one out of the way, make a diagonal line right along the middle, and just use a pencil for that. Now, unlike previous blocks we've done, if you are a beginner, we've at this point in time only sewn directly on the line. This time we're going to sew on either side of the line because it's going to create two blocks for us. So we're going to place them right sides together, just like that. And we are going to sew on the right side all the way across, and then we're going to sew on the left side of this line. Side done. Just going to turn this thing around. I'm not even going to cut the thread, and go ahead and sew along the other line, or side, I mean the other side. Okay, hopefully your threads are not all caught up like mine was. Okay, so I have sewn right on either side, so all we have to do is cut it. So you're going to want to get your mat out for this, and you're going to want to go ahead and cut this. I am going to do that really quick, and then I'm going to show you what they look like. So I have trimmed these apart, so it used to look like, here, I'm going to give you guys, it used to look like this. And I used my rotary blade and cut it in half, and I got two pieces, and I went ahead and pressed them open. I only need one for the quilt I'm making for block of the month, but this is a great way to make half square triangles. Make sure and comment below if you have a great tip for an HST, one of these gorgeous things. I would love for you to comment below, and I will see you next month for block of the month.